It's so soft, creamy and cheesy. You won't believe it. Just look at this. Wait until you see this cheese pool. About 500 grams of spinach, chopped just like this. We are slicing a big chicken breast into thin strips. When the olive oil gets a little warm, we crush 4 to 5 cloves of garlic straight in. Chicken goes in, seasoned with salt, black pepper and oregano. After the chicken is done, we add the spinach and just watch how much it wilts down. Finally, we add 100 grams of feta cheese into the mix. After melting 30 grams of butter, we cook 2 tablespoons of flour right in. We slowly pour in the milk while constantly stirring. When the milk mixture is smooth, add 40 grams of cheddar cheese. Don't forget a little pinch of salt. When it's just slightly thick, take it off the heat. It'll thicken more as it cools. Cook the lasagna sheets in salted water, following the instructions on the package. After draining, keep them in cold water so they don't stick. Start assembling by spreading cheddar sauce at the bottom of the dish, then layer the lasagna sheets. More sauce. Now the chicken and spinach goes on top. And now a layer of grated mozzarella on top. And we just keep layering until the final layer. Here's the key tip. For the final layer, spread the spinach filling and more cheddar sauce and finish it with cheese. Bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 minutes on the bottom, then 5 minutes on top. Enjoy!